how to fix Valorant Vanguard crash report problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first, just type here background apps, and now just turn off background apps, and then turn off all those applications just by turning off the first option, and after that go back, and now type here services, and now just scroll down, scroll until you find here VGC, right click on it and click restart. And that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.